sa Congress at ikaw daw ay magpo-focus muna sa pagiging aktor. So ano ba talaga doon? Doon muna tayo sa mga plans, unahin natin.
Opo, yung for this year po kasi, all the plans are already done. No? Plans meaning the projects that I've committed to ABS as well as part of my responsibility at hanap buhay. Sabi ko po, of course, I had to finish what I had to finish and I did it during the breaks of Congress. Minsan po na-overlap, but rest assured that the district was my priority. No? And for Moonglow po, that is coming out next year po. We ended na rin po a couple of months ago. May reshoot lang kami recently for a day. But the rest,
commercial release, cinema release pa po?
That one po ay hindi ko po pwedeng pangunahan si Direk Isabel. She's the one on top of it as well. So that one to follow na lang po. Topa, of course, Julia Montes and Chong and Silvio Cero, of course.
Ito sa cinema na to?
Opo, coming soon po yan. We'll come to the...
Sa mauna mo na yung Topa?
Opo, very very soon. Within the year po, hopefully. And for Bagman po, of course, not to announce yet, pero very soon na rin po, hopefully, malaman ko po na yung final na kalalabasan nito or what platform will we be coming out for this.
Then, doon na tayo sa political plans.
Yes, so
tapos
na lahat. No, that's not true. My mom is not replacing me. I have much to do. We have been working very hard in the district, and as a promise to my responsibility, to my commitment to the people, for the next, from this month actually, from last month pa, nung natapos ko na yung mga, again, my commitments, I was able to keep myself free until after elections as well, so that I could focus, of course, on the district.
So tuloy-tuloy ka?
Opo, tuloy po. Hindi ko si Mami, ako po.
Last na lang, saan naman si Ming dyan sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo?
Of course po, during my free times and during my free days, kung may bakasyon, kaya nga po, we travel, nakikita po ng tao, because those are the only times talaga na we get to spend time together, to be honest. Kasi pag nandito po sa Manila, of course, meron din siyang responsibility. She also has commitments to attend to, and also me as well. I juggle up, all these things, but rest assured, it's just time management, proper time management, and we're both very happy if pamanakalan po kayo. And yeah, it's just really time management po. And she's always my priority at the end of the day as well.
Akala nila kung business si May, nung medyo nawala siya doon sa Bulacan.
Hindi po. We went on a vacation for our first wedding anniversary po. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Gordy. Follow up lang ako, speaking of your latest win sa Content Asia. Nagkaroon pa ng inkling na you're gonna win. Meron kang feeling na ikaw yung mananalo or talagang it's a surprise. Nung gabi niyo na tinawag Arjo at IDS winner.
Ako, yung feeling ko. Hindi, ganun pa rin eh. Same. I have the same feeling. We went there, with Kim, Kayla, and the rest of Direk Ted, and of course, it's the EJ, Aretania, the rest of the people with us from ABS-CBN and the other network. I guess none of us were expecting anything. To be nominated is already such a privilege. The recognition itself will be a bonus, like we always say. It's not being humble, but it's really trying to push Filipino content, trying to push Filipino connections in a better way, so that we could excel back to where we were back in the 80s, 90s, etc. So yun po.
Thanks, Joe. We have a question here from Lency Bong.
Hi, Arjo.
Hello po. Congratulations. Thank you.
Arjo, syempre, itong Content Asia, gaano ka na nasasanay na tumanggap ng awards? Kasi parang lagi ka na lang nakakatanggap ng awards.
Hindi naman po sasanay. I don't think anyone will get used to this. Again, I don't work for awards. I never did. Still the same thing, still the same guy. Just really enjoying what I do. I'm learning, especially with the last projects na ginawa ko po. Insane knock on my head. Kasi obviously po, nakafocus po dito when I got back to working on screen. It was different. Sources Coast, sila, Ate Juday, Tito Chan, the rest of the veterans and the seasoned actors that I'm very privileged to work with. So, yun po.
Pero ano yung importance sa'yo na makatanggap ng awards?
Importance, number one, it's for us Filipinos. That's always with me. Number two, it's always for ABS. Always thankful to God, my family. But what's the importance of getting it? Personally, of course, it's not just a recognition. Yes, I did a good job. It will always just motivate me to learn more, to be worthy of what they gave. And the importance of pushing, as I said, I am one with ABS. So the award that I won, sabi ko, it's not for myself. It's always going to be as a whole idea. Kasi mula po nung Katleya pa lang, to Bagman and the rest. Being with ABS-CBN International, they've always targeted going international. And not for selfish reasons, but always to give maybe a door, that opportunity that could open to us Filipinos to be back on top again. So, yun po.
Siyempre, napapanood ko sa movies at sa miniseries, pero may mga nakakamiss din na gumawa ka ng teleserye. Can we expect any teleserye soon?
Siguro po, next year. I could say maybe next year. I've been gone for about 5 years on free TV as well. And of course, ang dami na po nangyari. Again, I have my responsibilities. But definitely po, I'm looking forward to coming back, even just for a while. And to be back on my feet now, and to learn more again with the people that I've been working with.
Meron kang inaay na actress na gusto mong makatrabaho sa susunod mong proyekto?
Lahat. To be honest, everyone. Still the same po. Say, when we get those interviews since before, I want to work with everyone naman talaga. It really gives me the opportunity to learn more, to stretch out. Gugulat din po ako sa mga iba't ibang artista, the way they lay their cards on the table pag sinabing action. Especially again with the last projects that they've been working with. They're insane actors, very unselfish actors, and I would always be grateful for them and indebted especially to the people in Bagman and Katleya.
Thank you, Adjo. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Miss Tess, before
Yes.
we continue, pakiusap po sa mga kaibigan natin kasi medyo madami po tayo para lahat more or less magkaroon ng chance makapagtanong. Limit natin sa isang question.
Okay.
Kasi medyo ano po tayo, 150 po tayo nandito. Isa lang po.
Okay, one question.
Romel
please,
Gonzalo.
ako.
Si
Okay,
Romel
Romel,
Vicente.
okay.
Romel.
Hi po. Hello.
Yan, follow ko lang yung tungkol sa serye. Ang pagkakalam ko kasi dapat kasama ka sa incognito. So ano talaga dahil bakit hindi ka lang natuloy doon? Isang question lang yun.
Ano po. Yeah, But yeah, I feel really bad to be not part of the show for anything. But again, like what I said po, hindi ko na po papahabain ng aking explanation. It was very heavy heart that I had to say no because obviously I have priorities po talaga for now. And I really want to be 100% committed if I'm not 100%. And it would also be unfair to my co-actors po. So, and I've always worked 100% with these guys. Given the opportunity, of course, I wanted to give it my all. But for now, I have to focus on this po. So yun po yung
Isa lang daw, friend. Grabe. Not paying attention. Minus si Romel. Joke lang. Okay, next we have Sir Robert Requentina of Manila Bulletin.
Robert Requentina.
Hello.
Congratulations, Arjo.
Thank you.
Napapag-usapan niyo ba bisa ni May na magsama kayo sa isang project? And how do you choose